everyone, we're going to make a backpack today. I had shared this project on my Instagram a while back, and I'm going to share with you today how to create this. And this is actually using our Daily Bread Designs dies, the Timeless Tote. They're actually now known as Divinity Designs, and I'm going to show you how to create this backpack using this Timeless Tote bag. So what you're going to need is, I went ahead and pre-cut all the pieces. So from the Timeless Tote, so from this die set right here, you're going to use the handle, or the handle die. So you're going to need that. You're going to have the die cut two of those out. And then we're going to use the front pocket along with the front pocket flap. So you'll die cut one of those each. We're also going to use the mesh pocket. We're not going to use the mesh part, but we are going to use the side pockets. You'll need two of those. And then you're going to need the front back die. You'll just need one of these. Okay. From this set, which is the Timeless Tote layers, you're just going to only need the front layering die, so which is this die right here. So you'll just die cut one of those. Okay, so let me take all the pieces here. So let me just take these apart. Put away the dies. Okay, along with those pieces that you went ahead and die cut, you're going to need two 7.5 inch wide by 8 inch in height sheets of paper. So you need two of those. You're going to score. So actually I went ahead and scored it, but I'll tell you the measurements here. You're going to score at 5 inches and 7 inches. And then you're going to turn it on the 8 inch side, this being the bottom. You're going to score at 2 inches. And you're going to do that to both pieces. Okay. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut. So you're just going to cut this one tab right here. You're going to cut that piece out. So die cut that out. And then you're going to cut your slit right here. Okay, and then fold your pieces. So fold along those scored lines. And this paper is the Maggie Home Sunny Days. It's the individual 12 by 12 sheet that I picked up at Joann. Okay, you're going to do that to both pieces. So cut that corner piece off. And then you're going to cut your slit. And then again fold the score lines. You can fill this backpack with, you know, lots of goodies. Okay, so you got those. So now what you're going to do next is you're going to build the backpack part. So we're going to add adhesive to this tab right here. I'm just going to use some double-sided tape. We'll do that to both pieces. And then we're going to adhere this together. So just line this up. Okay, and then we'll remove the adhesive in this tab. I'll just fold it like so. Okay, and then you'll get this. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to fold in these two side tabs, and then want to add adhesive to the inside here. Just add a small piece here. And then you can, you know, embellish the front however you'd like. Okay, so you got your backpack. Okay, next step, you're going to take this piece right here, and you're going to need your scoreboard. So let me get my scoreboard. And you see where you have this scored line right here? What you're going to do is you're going to line that. I just, see here, I do it like that. I just flip it over, and then I score it at 2 inches. That's all you need to do there. Okay, so just fold that in. And then this piece is going to go over this. So you're going to score this piece at 2 inches as well. Just put that at 2 inches. And then just fold. And then you're just going to layer it right on top like so. Actually, I don't think it's supposed to be 2. Hold on. I think it's supposed to be 1 7/8. Sorry about that. Actually, it's supposed to be 1 7/8. Because you want it within those dotted lines. Yeah, it's supposed to be 1 7/8, not 2 inches. Okay, and then you're just going to glue that. So let's get some glue. And this is optional. You don't have to layer it if you don't want to. So you can make this even if you don't have this die. It just gives a little extra dimension to the flap there. Okay, so just press that down. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take some adhesive and you're going to place it on top of here. So let's just, actually let's just add this glue here. And then you're going to glue it to the inside of the box. So you're going to figure out which one is your front. Either one goes. I mean, either side works. So just glue it like that. Make sure it's nice and lined up. And then I just give it a press. Give it a good press like so. Okay, and then this becomes your front flap, like that, okay? And then you're going to add your Velcro, so let's add our Velcro piece. And I just use these circle Velcro pieces, just kind of eyeball it. And just press that. Okay, that comes the front. And now we're going to add the other pieces. So let's get this out of the way. Now you're going to make your pocket. So just fold those score lines. So just another project that you can create with this die. And then you can add a velcro piece to the front flap. So just kind of eyeball it where you want it on the front of the backpack. Just like so. And then we'll add the front flap. And then I just open this and then I just kind of press it down. Make sure it's adhered. Okay, there we go. So you got your front pocket. Now you're going to add your side pockets. And again, this is optional. Just really cute if you add all these to it. And just place those on the side. Just press this down. Okay, got your cute little pocket on the side. And we'll add the other side. And this album that I made using the Eileen Hull die, it fits in the backpack really nicely. So if you want to create a mini album or an embellishment book, it will fit nicely in this backpack. Okay, so you got your side pockets. And then for the back, what you're going to do is I just fold these down like so. Just fold it down. Do that with this one as well. And then I take that curl tool and then I curl this. Or you can use your score tool. And then I take 4 glue dots. So we're just going to take 4 glue dots and then add it to the back. And that's it. It's that quick and easy to make this. So just fold it in like so. I do it like that. Then you just line it up, or you want it on the back of the backpack. Really quick project, and it's cute with all different types of design paper. And if you want to use the other handle from the layering die, you can layer the handle as well if you want to. Okay, and then we'll just line this up. So, and there you have it. You got your cute little backpack. So that's how you create it. And you can, again, see it fits right inside. It's a cute little backpack. And I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.